Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here to show you the Eurotool Nylon Jaw Pliers. These are sold separately, but I wanted to show you 4 different styles here. We've got the tapered chain nose, a couple different sizes of the round nose pliers, and the half flat and half round nose plier. So they do come with replacement tips. And you can see that this one we've been working with at the studio has gotten some wear and tear. The plastic that it's made of is soft, and that's so that it won't scratch the wire. And these tools are very good for scratch-free wire work, which I wanted to show you. Here is a piece of Hematite craft wire that I worked a little bit with some regular flat nose pliers, and you can see that the coating came off a bit when it was scraping against the metal. And so with this 22 gauge green wire, I wanted to show you how well this tool works for creating a coil that stays nice and shiny. So for that, I'm going to begin by also demonstrating how to change out the tip. And so this unscrews like so. And I'm going to use the metal portion of this tool just to create the beginning of my coil, to get it tucked over itself. And these are slippery and soft on the plastic end. So once I've got my loop, I can take my flats and grip and coil. And there's no scraping or scratching happening on that wire. So I can create a nice flat solid coil like so. That's just one use of these good tools, and these are available at beadaholique.com. Thanks for watching.